Come on. As you can tell, I like to do the things to the extreme. I gotta spend time pruning that rose bush, but I like to do things, and when I choose to do them, I like to do them all the way. This is just a sample of my rose garden that I put in here initially when I moved into one of the worst areas of Detroit to make a difference. And when I did so, people started taking care of their lawns, started watching out for one another. So then, I decided when this virus took place to listen to God and to prepare. In fact, He warned me before this all happened, and so I started to prepare. Started getting food around. Well, this virus thing is not over, that's for sure. And so now that it is spring, summer, I started doing seeds in February, getting ready to plant and hopefully have an early crop and a normal crop. Since then, I've had the opportunity to be able to harvest some of my own food, and I'm going to show you that in the very first picture and the last picture of this video. This is the benefits of hard work, laboring with your hands, and the pride that comes with it, because you get to enjoy. Now, this is one of my low areas here, and it just takes on water. I watered too much last night, almost fell asleep actually, and so that's my fault. So that's going to have to be contained. But here it is, the fruit of my efforts so far. Not done yet, but mostly. I'm going to show you what I was able to eat from this so far.